What we have here is a brand new BMW X5 Black Vermilion edition, which you can tell by the red grills. There's only 50 of these in the UK, they only come in frozen black and have a few other exclusive options. While it's been in with us, we have fitted full Xpel Stealth PPF, which is an absolute must on any satin paint because they are so delicate and hard to maintain. This time we've taken full coverage a tiny bit further and even protected all the gloss black trims and even the lights, so literally every inch is protected. That means all the gloss black in the bumper, all the gloss black window trims, literally everything. Do let me know what you think and I'll see you next time.